Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to check battery level for your headphones Audeze Maxwell with using your Android device. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one is to use a control panel. So right here we can check a battery level. The second one is to go to Settings, Connected Devices or Bluetooth. And right here we can also check a battery level. And the last one is to use an application, so just open it, and right here at the bottom, at the top, we have a battery level. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!